breaking news coming in at this point of time, and it is BJP is calling out the Congress over Slapgate. We have Amit Malviya reacting to this. My colleague Ankit is going to join us and he's going to take us through what Amit Malviya said. And Amit Malviya today is asking, we are actually wondering, why do Congress workers even stay with the Congress party? Ankit, take us through what the BJP is saying.
Absolutely, it's a strange way to show one's love. And also, Saga, I'd just like to add that after DK Shivkumar slapped him, a number of the other people present there also hit him. So it wasn't just DK Shivkumar, he sparked it and then the guy actually got beaten up is what it shows. Regardless, Amit Malviya says, Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar slaps Congress municipal member Alauddin Maniyar while campaigning at Savanur town of Haveri. This is not the first time DK has assaulted a Congress worker. His crime, he happened to put his hand on DK Shivkumar's shoulder when the latter stepped out of the car. I wonder, why do Congress workers even want to work for the Congress? Their leaders slap them, humiliate them, don't give them tickets to contest. All of them are cornered by family members. Is it for the corruption money they make on the side? No self-respect. And also, Shehzad Poonawalla has said, first Congress's Jeevan Reddy slaps an elderly woman. Now DK Shivkumar slaps a Congress worker. Nawabi mindset of the Congress. Congress ki pehchan janta aur worker ka apman. Imagine if they're like this before elections, what will they do after? Threaten voters, abuse them, beat them, mohabbat ki dukaan.
So the BJP now is asking, is this the Congress's mohabbat ki dukaan? Does the Congress show mohabbat by slapping their workers, by slapping people who come towards them? This is what the BJP is asking. S. Prakash of the Bharatiya Janata Party is joining me as we get you this fresh video that's coming from a Congress's campaign, and this time slapping one of the Congress workers is none other than Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar. S. Prakash, your first reaction.
So basically, DK Shivkumar is very arrogant and rude, and this he has displayed many a times. Several workers, even in the past, he has slapped the workers just because they took some selfies or things like that. Then by nature, he is arrogant. Unfortunately, power has gone into his head. Now he being the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, wielding a lot of power, he is showing it his power on his own workers. Very sad. Congressman has to toil hard on the street and also get beaten up by their own leaders.
All right, so S. Prakash there, first reaction coming in from the Karnataka BJP, going on to say that DK Shivkumar is very arrogant. But viewers, please look at those pictures on your screens. One is the Congress leader. He's the Nizamabad candidate of the Congress party. His name is Jeevan Reddy. On your screens are pictures of him. You see what he's done to that elderly woman there. And then you have those visuals coming in from Haveri where DK Shivkumar was campaigning and one of the Congress workers puts his arm around his shoulder. BJP there, Imran is asking the Congress, is this your mohabbat ki dukaan? Why do workers of the Congress party even stay back with the Congress is what the BJP is asking at this point of time. How is the Congress responding? Have you heard from DK Shivkumar?
No, he hasn't responded yet to this allegation, but DK Shivkumar's supporters come out and said that this is it was the heat of the moment. It is nothing that he wanted to hit the supporter worker. He just tapped on his shoulder is what they are coming out with the support in defense of DK Shivkumar. But BJP, however, is not buying that argument. In fact, Amit Malviya, the IT cell head of the BJP, has gone on to say it is pure humiliation for the Congress worker. Why is it that they're not fighting out over this issue, and why they have to suffer such humiliation is what he has tweeted and attacked DK Shivkumar over this issue.
All right, in those pictures, Imran, we can also see some policemen present there. So the sequence as we look at those visuals is DK Shivkumar comes out of the car. The man in the yellow shirt gets overwhelmed and puts his arm around DK Shivkumar's shoulder. DK Shivkumar then, visibly irritated, slaps him on his shoulder. Then there's a policeman who's trying to push those Congress workers away. Right now, Congress workers, and even then there are some Congress workers who are still trying to take a selfie. So all this was happening when there is clearly an outburst of anger. Waiting for more reactions to come in from the Bharatiya Janata Party as we keep our focus on what's happening. Congress workers, as you said, all right, Imran, thank you for getting us those details. But viewers, pictures on your screens. Telangana to Karnataka, Slapgate controversy. Congress is embroiled in it. Its top leader from Karnataka too is now facing questions from the Bharatiya Janata Party.